I had a funny thing happen to me today with the Mix-3. I attached it to the Fuji X-H1 with the grip, and I got this. Now that's really annoying, and it reminded me of the Juice Link. It used to do that when I used to attach it to the top of the 5D Mark III. And what it reminded me of, it was noise, like grounding noise. And so what I did was I unscrewed the Mix-3 from the camera, and it worked. So if you're having the same issue in terms of noise like that, just unscrew it and then put it somewhere else. Don't put it on the body of the machine. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.